Then we have Honorable Mr. Marian Draganscu from Romania. I request our Azim Faruqi sir to come forward and felicitate the Honorable Judge.
Thank you.
I request Mr. Yash Kapoor to come forward. And I will call upon Honorable Judge Masami Uryu from Japan. Honorable Judge, Mr. Masami Uryu. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming. I request Captain Sunny Jacob to come forward and felicitate our Honorable Judge, Mr. Belkin Alexei from Moscow, Russia. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, Honorable Judge, Ms. Maria Verbediskaya from Belarus. And I request Vicky Akulvar to felicitate the Honorable Judge. Thank you so much. Thanks, ma'am, for coming. Now we start with the Best in Show lineup of 127th All Brit Championship Show Pointed Show.
Me, I.
127th All Brit Pointed Show judged by Marian Draganscu. For the best Indian breed, we have exhibit number 289, a caravan hound. Exhibits, please pay attention. Now we are with the 127th lineup results, best in show results for the pointed show. It's exhibit number 289, a caravan hound.
Thank you. Thank you.
This was the best Indian breed. Now for the reserve we have exhibit number 296. $296 Apashmi.
Thank you.
For the reserve best puppy show we have $160 a Siberian Husky.
नंबर कॉलिंग करा नंबर कॉल करा नंबर कॉल नाही केला झाला का थैंक यू
For the best puppy of in show, we have exhibit number 232, a Labrador Retriever.
सही विक्रांत भाई
Winner. He also gets the winner of Sparks Challenge Cup trophy.
Congratulations. All the best.
On the 8th position, we have a Caravan Hound exhibit number 289. And now for the 7th position, we have exhibit number 34, a German Shepherd.
शिवांश चल बना Hey. Hey, Nora. Thank you.
ऊपर ऊपर Now on the 6th position we have exhibit number 185, English Setter. Exhibits double up please. On the 6th position we have an English Setter, exhibit number 185. Fifth best ratio goes to exhibit number 147 at Dash Hand.
Thank you.
Fifth best ratio goes to exhibit number 146 at Action.
Thank you.
Fourth best ratio goes to exhibit number 157, a Pomeranian. Fourth best ratio, Pomeranian.
सीधा पकड़ो बैग बैग बैग
Thank you. पिल्ला की मोठे जोड
And now for the big trophies.
मोठा आहे.
Third best ratio goes to, any guesses? Third best ratio goes to
स्वाद
exhibit number 101 at Doberman. And also gets a best import trophy.
सर थोड़ा पीछे
आगे आओ ना भाई
And also gets a dog food bag of 3 kgs from Carnival. And now for the reserve best ratio, who is also a reserve best bred in India, and the trophy goes to Beagle exhibit number 182.
ए अरे त्याची रँकिंग दिसू दे रे
Reserve best ratio also gets a dog food bag from Carnival Dog Food. And now for the biggest trophy of the day, the best in show, who is also best in show bred in India.
सर थोड़ा
Nestle Purina also gives one dog food bag for the winners.
नंबर काय
One more important announcement. Pune Kennel Confederation is the oldest club in India and they have a pure gold trophy
क्या बात है
1937.
वाव
which was made in 1937. It's a very preserved and antique trophy given to the exhibits and then again taken back. Very sorry for that.
इट्स अ रोलिंग ट्रॉफी
Rolling trophy.
इट्स अ रोलिंग ट्रॉफी
Best in show.
बेस्ट इन
Thank you so much.
करायचं चालू.
For the best in show, we have exhibit number 163, a Siberian Husky, who's also best bred in India. Also gets a dog food bag from ProPlan, Purina, and shampoo gift voucher from 3S shampoos. And also gets a dog food bag from Carnival Dog Food.
Golden trophy.
गोल्डन ट्रॉफी आहे काय
Get back. The best in show.
अरे ते त्यांचं बेस्ट इन शोचं बॅनर बॅनर बैनर है बाहर। थोड़ा सा पीछे लो भाई, पीछे लो, पीछे थोड़ा।
ये गांव खड़े हो रहा है, एक आदमी एक दूसरे के साथ एक साइड में
दादा
एक बात में निकालो आप
इधर मालूम था उसको, शर्ट बदल क्या है।
थैंक यू।
Thanks to the honorable judge. Now we have the best in show results for 128th All Great Championship show, pointed show. I request the exhibits not to bring many people along with the dog. Only one person, the owner and handler. Only 2 people are allowed. And now I request our honorable judge, Mr. Masami Uryu from Japan, to come forward. And I request the exhibits not to bring too much people, only one handler and the owner is allowed to come forward and take picture. Only one person is allowed. Thank you. Now for the reserve best Indian breed, we have exhibit number 289, a caravan hound.
बस थैंक यू।
For the best Indian breed, we have exhibit number 297, Rajapalyan.
White Devil.
फ्रंट लेग सर, फ्रंट लेग।
For the reserve best puppy, we have exhibit number 199, a golden retriever. Exhibit number 199.
सर थोड़ा पीछे कर लीजिए। सर थोड़ा और पीछे।
For the best puppy in the show, for the best puppy we have exhibit number 76, a Doberman. Thank you so much. And now for the board placement, 8 best in show, we have exhibit number 153, a Pomeranian. 8 best in show is a Pomeranian, exhibit number 153. Double up, we are getting late. Please be ready with your exhibits. Rest all the peoples, please come forward and be ready with your exhibits.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. On the 7th position we have exhibit number 268, a pug.
बैठ जाओ हाँ, बैठ जाओ
Seventh best in show is a pug. For the 6th best in show, we have exhibit number 185, English Setter. For the 6th best in show, we have English Setter exhibit number 185. Double up, please. For the 5th best in show, we have exhibit number.
Sir, please.
Thank you so much. On the 5th position, we have exhibit number 211, a golden retriever.
सर थोड़ा पीछे कर लीजिए.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For the 4th best in show, we have exhibit number 60, a boxer.
क्या बात है?
Fourth best in show is a boxer, exhibit number 60. Also gets a dog food bag of Proplan and a gift voucher of shampoos, 3S shampoos.
Front leg, sir. Sir, please.
नेक पकड़ा ना बेटा तब मारे
Thank you so much. Third best in show goes to exhibit number 23, a German Shepherd, who is also a reserve best in show bred in India.
भैया प्लीज.
अरे वो स्टैंड को पहले सॉरी
Sir, please. Sir. Thank you.
And now for the reserve best in show, who is also a best in show bred in India. The trophy goes to Beagle exhibit number 182. We have got one mobile. Somebody is missing their mobile. Near the canteen, somebody forgot his mobile. If nobody claims, I'll keep it.
Sir, please.
Cyber crime.
Thank you.
Also gets a dog food bag from ProPlan and a gift voucher of shampoos from 3S company. And now for the biggest trophy of the day. It's exhibit number 101 at Doberman.
सर थोड़ा पीछे स्टैक कर लिए सर
थोड़ा सा स्टैक पीछे करो.
नहीं ठीक है.
प्लीज थैंक यू
गोल्डन कप है क्या पूरा?
Congratulations, Tamal. Thank you.
Today's best in show also gets a dog food bag and a gift voucher of shampoos from 3S.
Rolling trophy.
Thanks to the honorable judge. Thank you so much. Now we have the results of 129 non-pointed all-breed championship show, judged by Belkin Alexei.
वर्ल्ड कप है क्या?
For the reserve best Indian breed, we have with exhibit number 297, Rajapalyam.
क्या बात?
Reserve best Indian breed.
सर स्टैक
करो ठीक से पीछे के पीछे.
Thank you. For the best Indian breed, we have exhibit number 290, a Caravan Hound. Best Indian breed also gets a gift voucher from 3S Shampoo Company.
थैंक यू
Now for the reserve. Show was also co-judged by Miss Maria. Now for the reserve best puppy, we have exhibit number 232, a Labrador Retriever. Double up please, exhibits.
सुमित बस में स्टैक कर.
सर सर सर
बसून बसून स्टैक कर रहा था.
Thank you.
Very nice bro.
And for the best puppy in show, we have exhibit number 265, a pug. I repeat, exhibits, please be ready with your exhibits. We are running out with the time. Double up please, exhibits. For the 8th best in show,
दोन मिनिट काका या लवकर
we have exhibit number 28, a German Shepherd on 8th position.
जाओ 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 पहिले
Best puppy of the show is exhibit number
फोटो काढा काका
265, a pug.
हाय काकांकडे काका पटकन काढा
थँक्यू सर
घे
जोरात आवाज द्या ना हॅपी बर्थडे कल बर्थडे झाला
8th best in show goes to exhibit number 28, a German Shepherd.
मास्टर टेबल
सर थोड़ा सा आगे कर लीजिए
बे आगे आ जाओ ऊटी स्पेशल है ऊटी स्पेशल
All the best in shows gets dog food, a Purina dog food pro plan from Purina, and a gift voucher of shampoos from 3S company.
थैंक यू
On the 7th position we have exhibit number 290, a Caravan Hound. A Caravan Hound on the 7th position.
इंडियन ब्रीड
सर थैंक यू
Thank you so much. Now on the 6th position we have exhibit number 146, a Dachshund. A Dachshund on 6th position, exhibit number 146.
निघे
है ना अभी वाले में आएगा ना आई गेस ही शुड बी सेकंड
थैंक यू
Thank you. For the 5th best in show we have the English Setter, exhibit number 185.
लोग क्या रही ना
थैंक यू
Winners also gets a dog food bag from ProPlan Purina, and also a gift voucher of shampoos from 3S. Fourth best in show goes to exhibit number 214, a golden retriever.
दस मिनट करेगा
थैंक यू
टोप को सिल्वर चेन पहना दिया ला
And now for the third best in show,
चलो यार बॉक्सर लाओ यार
who is also reserve best in show bred in India. The trophy goes to exhibit number 182, a beagle. Also gets a dog food bag from Pro Plan Purina, and a gift voucher of shampoos from 3S.
Oh, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Please collect your certificates also.
Now is the time to call Nige.
पक्का है क्या?
And now, on the second best in show, reserve best in show position, we have
Get the boxer.
exhibit number 157, a Pomeranian.
नहीं आ रहा. नहीं आ रहा.
अभी डोबर में नहीं चाहिए.
Sir. Sir, please. Thank you.
And now, finally, the biggest trophy of the day, the best in show trophy, who is also the best bred in India. And the trophy goes to exhibit number 102, a Doberman.
हाँ आ जाओ ना, आ जाओ, आ जाओ.
Sir.
वांगो ना सीखो.
फोटो निकाल दो.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to the honorable judges. Thank you so much. Congratulations all to the winner.
Congratulations.